Hi scale guys, today we have Intercomp. This is crane scales like this with the remote, and to calibrate these scales you should calibrate them from the remote. So to calibrate them you need to open the remote, and here you have calibration jumper, and you should put in scale position. This is run position, this is scale position. So you need to put it in scale position. At this point you can see available menu, and here it shows you scale mode. So you go to the menu by pressing menu button, and then by pressing arrows you go backlight, units, after off, number of the scales. We don't need anything like this, we need calibration. Here it is. So we press enter store button, and now we can see scale number. So this is scale number 1 because this is only one scale, can be several of them. So we don't change anything, we just press enter store button. And now it's asking us about how many points of calibration we will use. So I already calibrated with the 4. You can calibrate it with the 10, whatever you like. So 4 it will be okay. So I press, you can change it by pressing arrows. Yeah, 6, 5, 4. I okay with 4, and maybe even okay, let's do 4. Capacity, we don't need to change the capacity. This is 50,000 pounds. We press enter button, store button. Now first point of calibration. At this point we need to apply the load. So my first point of calibration will be about 10,000. And again, this scale is counting by 50, so you should put by 50. And now I have 10 to 50 here, and press enter button. Now it's asking us about the second point of calibration. Now we apply the second weight, which will be about 20. And now I put 2850. 2850. And I can see it here, and press enter button. And it goes to the third point of calibration. The light can't let me show you anything. So the third point of calibration, it will be about 30. Yeah, I will calibrate it each 10,000. 32 is okay. So next one will be 31,900. And I can see it here, 900. I press enter button. And now fourth point of calibration. And again I put about 40. 41 is okay. And here I put 41,400. And now I have 41,100. And when I have 31,400. Sorry, now I should press the button. And now we go back to the calibration menu, and we press menu button, and now we have 41,350, 360, but it's counting by 10, it's counting by 50. So calibration done. Thanks for watching. I try to do it as fast as possible.